Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Ke konei mātou ki te kura o Wesley mo te whiringa toa o te Chiefs Cup. E ke minui kei te haramai ko Rotorua Boys High School, kia Wesley College.
Had a great comeback last week against Hamilton Boys. They were down 33 points to 5 and managed to come back and win 34-33. And Wesley beat Francis Douglas 33-8.
That's a big start from Wesley, carrying strong up the field, but two huge wins from both kura last week.
Big defence coming in there from the captain, Rogers, Rotorua Boys.
Yes, especially against a school like Hamilton.
First attempt by Oscar Fraser.
Aye.
And that's successful. That takes the score out to 3 points to 0.
We'll still be online after this. Something we never had, Regan, and probably better that we didn't.
Here we go, Rotorua Boys, hot on attack. Good carry there by McGarvey. Out the back.
Kua tiki te parirau pia.
Great try scored there. Great defence coming in there from McGarvey on the centre for Wesley. Great passage of play though by the Wesley boys. No advantage though. Ref says that the Rotorua boys were offside. Big carry there by Mailulu.
Kōkiri tonu atua a Rotorua, ka tata ki te pai piro. Here he goes again, number 3.
Penalty advantage here. Great carry by McGarvey, gets over the line. Great try there to Rotorua boys, well deserved by that young 12 by Tutawhaiva.
I like that decision from Rotorua. They know that they've got a bit of momentum there, so they're trying to keep the game flowing and trying to tire out Wesley College.
Pick and go, looking to go wide.
Oh, rawa te karo o te tamara, te nama te kaumatoru. Tai atu ki te parirau, he piro.
The ref will blow it up when he's ready. Good long pass there by the Wesley boys. Nice carry there by... Actually, that's it, Vana. Looks like that was a forward pass. Excellent play there by Rotorua. Great display of rugby by Rotorua. They will go through to the top 4 next week in Palmerston North. They will also win the Chiefs Cup and the Chris Grinter trophies.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.